What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on my TSX. You can kind of see it there, but yes, we're going to be working on it, and we're going to be installing a cat bed exhaust system that I purchased. The used one. It's a comptech exhaust system. As you can see, it's right there. Comptech USA. Gonna be replacing the stock ones with a comptech exhaust. I haven't seen many videos with this car, or with this exhaust system on this car. So we're gonna be installing it and see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good, you know. Well, let's get started. So I just removed the exhaust system. Took me like about 20 minutes or so, you know. The hard part was just, lifting up the car and getting everything ready. But all you have to do is remove three 14mm bolts there, and then two there, and then all the other hangers come out, and then this comes out as one whole unit here, and then there's the other piece right there. But now let's go ahead and get this comptech exhaust is finally done. Took me about an hour because I had some technical difficulties, but son of a bitch, excuse my language, but yeah, looking pretty good. I'm gonna put some before and after shots, but yeah, it's looking good. Welcome back, guys. This is day 2 of working on the TSX. Yesterday I had some technical difficulties, and I'm gonna show you why. The exhaust is on, but I just have an exhaust leak because apparently when I got this exhaust, you can kind of see there's an exhaust leak right there, and down there's a gap. All the bolts are nice and tight, but the thing is that whoever had this exhaust before welded something that made it had basically like a lip on it, and it wasn't mating up whatsoever. And if I would have put it like that, it would have had like at least half an inch of a gap. It would have been worse than what it is now. So what I did, got my angle grinder, started grinding it as much as I can, but it's still not enough. Where I still needed a gasket, but now I know that I really need a gasket, so I went to purchase that and I'm gonna install it. Let's see how that works out. Let's see if that's gonna make it any better. So I just finished up the moment of truth. Let me see. Moment of truth. This is what I bought. I bought the 3-bolt flange, 2¼ inch. You know, so put the gasket on there. Let's see. Seems pretty good, but I guess moment of truth. Yes, that's my Civic EK coupe that I'm a K-swap. Moment of truth. Let's see if I could hear any kind of leak. Oh man. Actually, no leak. Let's go.